Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we're talking about PayPal, and more specifically, we're going to show how to add a Visa gift card into your PayPal account and use it as a balance. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with PayPal, it's definitely one of the more popular online payment companies out there. It's been around for a really long time. I remember using them back in the early 2000s. Basically what it is, people use it to transfer money around from family and friends, or you can usually pay for things online. So if you're buying something on eBay or something like that. But how do you transfer your Visa gift card balance into your PayPal? That's what we're going to talk about, and it's going to be a pretty quick tutorial. There's not a crazy amount of steps involved, but it does take a little bit of effort the first time you're going to do this. So first thing I want to know is a Visa gift card or Visa reward card, basically the same thing. So this one right here, I got this one for my optometrist. They had a special running. If I bought a certain amount of contacts from them, then they're going to mail me a Visa gift card as a rebate. So I got 50 bucks on this one. But you can also buy other Visa gift cards. So for example, I got this one at Target right here, and it should work the same. Basically what you want to do is, first step is you don't want to use the app. So on the app itself, I couldn't find a way to send an invoice. I believe the only way you can send an invoice through PayPal is through their mobile website or on their online website. There's no place that I can find on the app, at least on the iOS app, that allows you to do this. And what you're going to do is you're going to send yourself an invoice. So I went here to this website right here. Be sure to check my video description. I'll try to leave a link there. It's the PayPal website. Once you're here, you'll want to log in. So I'm going to go ahead and click this login button now. All right, once you click there, then you'll need to add in your credentials. So your username and your password. All right, once you click there, then you're going to enter in your credentials. So you'll need to add in your username and your password. I'm going to go ahead and enter that in off screen now. All right, so here we are on the home screen. And again, this home screen is a little different than the app home screen because you cannot use the invoice feature on the app as far as I know. Maybe in the future they'll roll that out. So go to the mobile website. This is where I'm at. And you want to click on this menu button here on the top left, these three lines. I'm going to click there now. Once you click there, then you want to look at this line right here called send and request. It looks like 3 or 4 lines down from the top. I'm going to click there now. All right. Once you click there, then you want to scroll down about halfway. I'm going to scroll down now. All right. Once you scroll down, you'll see this line right here called send an invoice. I'm going to click there now. All right. Once you get here, then you're going to see the create an invoice screen. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to create an invoice and send it to an email that is not associated with your PayPal. So as you're sending it to somebody else. So here on the bill to, add an email address that is not associated with your PayPal account. I'm going to go ahead and add mine in now. All right, next you want to click here and add item or service. I'm going to click there now. All right, next you just want to fill out this invoice as if you were sending it to someone. So what's the name of the item you're going to be charging for? So let's just do taco, as if I'm billing somebody for a taco. Next, you can add a detailed description if you want. I don't like to do that, so I'm going to leave that blank. Next, this is kind of important. So what you want to do is add in the amount that is currently on your Visa gift card. So for example, if this one's $50 and I want to put $50 on my PayPal, go ahead and put the 50. You can do partial, so that's what I'm going to do on this one. I'm only going to bill myself for $1 and leave the rest of the money here on my Visa gift card. All right, so once you've done that, then you want to go ahead and continue to fill the form out. Tax, I don't think that would apply. Discount, that wouldn't apply. Save item, that wouldn't apply either. So I'm just going to go ahead and add item now. Oh, it's letting me know that I need to choose a quantity even though it's only 1. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in 1. I'm going to click done. Lastly, I'm going to click add item. All right, so then this screen pops up confirming everything we've added in. So we're going to send $1 because we're billing for a $1 taco. You can add more services here, but that wouldn't really matter. You want to choose the currency that you're trying to use off of your Visa gift card. So I'm leaving mine as US dollars. You're going to see the total. All this other stuff doesn't really apply. Items will be shipped. I'll check this no. I'm going to scroll down a little bit further. All right, if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see this blue button called send. I'm going to click there now. All right, so I went ahead and sent it, and then you'll get this confirmation screen letting you know you've sent that invoice to the email that is not associated with your PayPal account. Go ahead and click done. I'm going to click there now. All right, so then this invoices screen pops up and you'll see the most recent invoice that you had sent. So you can see this one is $1. That's the one that we just worked on. So now you want to go ahead and click onto the email inbox for the email that you had sent the invoice to. So let me switch over to my email inbox now. All right, so I went ahead and opened up my email, and this is the copy of the invoice that you will receive in the other email that you don't have associated with your PayPal. So that's pretty important. You do need to make sure you use an email email that's not associated with your PayPal. So I'm going to click right here on this view and pay invoice. I'm going to click there now. All right, so here is the mobile browser that popped up with the invoice. As you can see, $1, and you can click pay now. Now, before you proceed any further, I want to let you know that PayPal does charge a fee for you to accept payments through invoices. So I believe it's around 3% that they're going to charge. They might have a minimum charge to accept the payment. Usually it could be like 50 cents minimum, 3%, or 50 cents minimum. But I'm going to go ahead and pay this invoice now. I'm going to click on this pay now button. All right, next the screen pops up and you can either log in, but that wouldn't apply because you only have one PayPal account. So what you want to do is click right here, pay with debit or credit card. So just keep in mind that once we pay this dollar, I'm not going to have $1 in my PayPal account. It's actually going to be a little bit less because PayPal will take a fee from the deposit amount. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this gray button down here. All right, so this screen pops up, the PayPal guest checkout. So what you'll want to do is go ahead and enter in the complete Visa debit gift card number, expiration date, security code, your name, billing address, and contact phone number. So I'm going to enter all that information in from my Visa debit gift card off screen now. All right, so I went ahead and entered in all of the required information. Next, this option pops up. If you want to set up a PayPal account, go ahead and click no. I'm going to click there now. All right, next you can go ahead and click pay now. I'm going to go ahead and click there now. All right, I went ahead and clicked there and it brings you right back to the invoice, but the invoice is now marked as paid. So let me click back over to my PayPal account now. All right, so I went ahead and logged into my PayPal app just to view the balance. And as you can see now, my PayPal balance is 67 cents. So that is how you add a Visa gift card to your PayPal account. And like I said, be sure that you know that they do charge a fee to accept the money through your PayPal through an invoice. So this one, out of the dollar, they charged me 33 cents, but I believe the fee is usually 35 cents plus 3% of however much the balance is going to be. But be sure to check my video description. I'll try to leave a link to the fees that PayPal charges in order to receive, because if you sent in $100, they're not going to take 33% like they did on a small transaction like I did for $1. That's the easiest way that I know how to add a Visa gift card to your PayPal. Now this money is in my PayPal, so I'm free to use it to pay somebody through PayPal or to buy things online with PayPal. If you happen to know an easier way to transfer your Visa gift card to your PayPal, leave a comment below, let the rest of us know how you did it, but I'm pretty sure this is the easiest way to do that. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.